Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Now that we know which two vendors from India are going to manufacture the 6 conventional submarines for Indian Navy, the next thing which is very eagerly awaited is the foreign vendor who is going to collaborate with these Indian shipyard. The two domestic shipyards who were shortlisted were the Mazakan Dock Shipbuilders and L&T Shipyards. Coming to the list of foreign shipyards which were shortlisted, the 5 global original equipment manufacturers who were shortlisted are Russia's Rosboron Export, Germany's ThyssenKrupp, France's Naval Group, Spain's Navantia, and South Korea's Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. The request for proposal for the construction of Project 75I submarines under the strategic partnership model is expected to be issued very soon, and there are still many questions which are unanswered. Will a single Indian shipyard company get a chance to manufacture the entire 6 submarines, or it would be split between the Mazakan Dock Shipbuilders and L&T Shipyard? As per my opinion, in order to induct these planned 6 submarines at the earliest, we should give a chance to both shipyards so that simultaneously both shipyards can build these submarines and each shipyard can choose to work with one foreign vendor as well. Since Mazakan Dock Shipyards are already working with France Naval Group in Scorpion class submarines, I think they can choose the same naval group and continue working on the Project 75I submarines as well. Coming to the other shipyard, which is L&T Shipyard, they can choose any one of the other 4 foreign original equipment manufacturer to build the rest of the submarines. According to me, they can go ahead with Russia as they have very good experience in building submarines and they have also leased their submarines for India, which has been proved to be best. The second option, which they can go for, is South Korea's Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, as recently they have come up with advanced AIP technology and lithium battery technologies. All this is possible only if the order is split among these two Indian shipyards, or else there would be only one foreign vendor who might get a chance to work with the Indian partner. So that was a quick video to convey my opinion about the upcoming Project 75I 6 conventional submarines. Let's wait and watch what decision is taken in this regard. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.